What's going on, guys? I had a little bit of a connection issue, but we're back. Today is September 21st, Thursday, 2023. We're looking at potential entry opportunities for USDCAD, UJ, and GJ. So, USDCAD right now just broke the 9 a.m. highs, shifted in market structure lower. So, if it pulls back to this level right here, I might see a potential entry that I like going short like so, but preferably I would like to take my entry a little bit higher just because the stop loss right here would be a little bit too large for me. So if price were to come back up into this level, say 75, put my stop loss up here for a 7.5, and then take profit right here for a 1 to 3 2 for USD CAD. Alright, so USD CAD. Like so. UJ, if it shifts in market structure going higher, because it did also just take out the opening sell side liquidity right here. So if I see a shift in market structure higher on UJ, I will go ahead and take a long position. Also, what we see on GJ is it did the same thing as UJ did. It swept the AM session or opening session sell side, shifted or broke right below it just by a hair. If I see a shift in market structure higher, I'll go ahead and take a long position targeting 9 a.m. highs. So we see price pulled back into this FVG. If it wants to continue going lower, that's absolutely fine. I would have much rather had my entry tapped in at this level, just because if I took it right here, stop loss would have been way too high for me, because I like to place it a little bit above the high or the low of the displacement leg. So if price were to pull back up and tap into this level right here, which is a CIBI that violated this BISI right here. So if it comes back up into this level like so, then I want to see it continue going lower, taking out 9 a.m. lows. It looks like right now so far that it's wanting to run a little bit lower, and here UJ is doing the same thing. GJ is trying to decide what it wants to do. So we wait and see for what price wants to do. Okay. So you could have taken an entry right here at this FVG and already hit a 1 to 3 5. So you could have been out in just about 4 minutes. And if you want to hold it a little bit longer, you could have targeted the 9 a.m. lows, which are right here, this red line, for a 1 to 5 6 risk to reward ratio. Here you have a 1 to 4 already hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In about 6 minutes, already have a 1 to 4. And then ultimately, you want to be targeting the 9 a.m. lows, and then it could run through this 4-hour rejection block right here. Alright, we see that UJ is approaching previous day's lows right here. So it did sweep through 9 a.m. lows, but decided to run through that level without creating a shift in market structure. So it did run through it with energy, looking like it's targeting previous day's lows. And now at this level, once this level gets taken out, if I see a shift in market structure here, then I want to see price pull back into a POI and then continue going higher, targeting previous day's highs. Now, I will only take a long position if I see a shift in market structure. Otherwise, it could continue going lower, targeting the remaining sell side down here, down here, down here, all the way down here. But we'll see what happens when it reaches this level, this previous day low. And here on USDCAD, you could have closed your entire position if you wanted to for a 1 to 5 risk to reward. Some people like to be a little exact, and they like to hold it until price hits their target profit, which is something that I would do as well. I would have my stops at break even right now, so it's a risk-free trade, and let price run, do whatever it wants to do. So here, a lot of the times I would place a trade, forget about it. But since we're trading the 1 minute time frame, I have to sit behind the screen and manage my trade accordingly. Now, if it were a higher time frame trade, I could just set and forget, where I set my trade, close the charts, and then let price do one of two things. Either hit my stop loss or hit my take profit. And either way, I'm fine with both of the results. And price on USDCAD is about to hit TP. See what happens in 2 seconds. Just like that. There we go. So USDCAD 1-5-6 risk to reward. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Price did exactly what we wanted it to do, and I could draw that out for you right now. So this is what I want to see. Here is the 9 a.m. candle with 9 a.m. highs and 9 a.m. lows. I want to see price within the time range of 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. to sweep either liquidity, whether it's sell side or buy side. So in this case, USDCAD swept 9 a.m. buy side. So once we see a sweep of liquidity, we want to see a shift in market structure and then a pullback into that breaker block to continue going lower, targeting the 9 a.m. lows, and vice versa. If price were to sweep 9 a.m. lows, then I want to see a shift in market structure higher, pull back into an area of interest, or in this case a breaker block slash fair value gap, and then a continuation higher, targeting 9 a.m. highs. And this is exactly the strategy that I trade, and this is exactly what we saw here. And then we have the 4-hour order block, rejection block candle right here, which could have gave us a 1-6-6 risk to reward in just a matter of 20 minutes. Beautiful trade. So that is it for today, guys. It's a short video, I know, but this is what we do. Once we have our trade, we take the trade, and then that's it. I'm done. No more. So I will come back on here tomorrow and see what kind of setups we have going on. I don't find anything on UJ or GJ. GJ looks like it wants to continue going lower for a little bit, possibly targeting this 7 a.m. low. And then UJ just swept previous day's lows. So right here, if I were to see there is more liquidity right here, relatively equal lows as well, that price could easily come and attack. But if price wants to show us a shift in market structure higher, since it just swept previous day's lows, I want to see something like this, where price shifts in market structure, pulls back into an area of interest, and continues going higher. So that's what I'd like to see in order to take a long position. Otherwise, I'm just going to wait for price to do its thing. And here we go on USDCAD. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. So let me save this screenshot for journaling purposes. Just like so. And then that would be it, guys. If you have any questions or any concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will answer every single one of them. I enjoy doing it. And until next time, I will see you tomorrow around the same time, 9:30 to 10:30 New York Eastern Time. You will catch me live on YouTube every day, Monday through Friday. Have a good day.